Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be shooting this cap gun. Yep. Vâng. Huh? So these bad boys running around at my school, and I thought, why not purchase a cap gun for myself? So, here it is. This is called this. Yes, it is definitely called a cap gun. It has instructions. Anyways, so basically, all you gotta do is, when you get it, it will be like this. Do this. And all I gotta do is take one of these. Then ta-da! Oh. And then load it and crap. And what the? Whee! Well, oh yeah, just so you know. Huh? Darn it. That's free, I'm pretty sure. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nothing else. Nothing else. But hey, it's very neat. Yeah, here you go. This is the bolt spinning. You can see it if you pay good enough attention. You will be able to see it spin. Hey, it's a pretty cool toy. You should probably buy one. Very loud though, and do not do this. I repeat. I'm not unloaded, so I repeat, do not do this unless you have this out. And make sure, okay? Anyways, that is my latest video. I haven't uploaded for a pretty long time, so bye.